No foundation has been used on my face, just these 3 palettes. MUA have just brought out 3 new face palettes to try, and these are to do my entire face. 3 palettes, no foundation, let's go. First up we have the Conceal and Correct palette, and I'm going to go in with this peachy shade right under my eyes. This is going to be perfect for anyone dealing with any blue or purple under their eye. Look at that already. And if you are a little bit deeper than me, these 2 shades are going to be your best friend. Okay, are we seeing that before and after? That's insane. Even though these are in a palette, they're still so creamy and so blendable. This peach as well is going to be really good if you're dealing with any pigmentation. And now we have bright under eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with this green shade here. Green is really good for concealing any redness. So I just have a little bit of redness on my cheeks and around my nose and just underneath here too. And just like that, the redness is gone, I've got bright under eyes, and I've not touched a foundation yet. And then I am going to use this lilac, and I know it's scary, and I'm going to put this on my eyelid. This is just going to brighten up any dullness or any yellow tones on the eyelid, because sometimes it can just be a little bit yellowy. And again, it's brighter. 1 palette down. And then also, just really quickly, MUA have launched this box of makeup sponges, and you've got any sponge that you could ever need in here. You have your regular beauty sponge, an hourglass one, the mini, and a mini finger sponge too. I'm just going to go in with the mini and just blend everything out. Now it's time for one of my favourite steps, bronze and sculpt. These are the colours that we're working with. I think I'm actually going to go in with this here first of all, because this is quite a cool tone, so it's going to be great for contouring. And I'm going to use the hourglass sponge for this. Also just going to damp this a little bit. This is with the hyaluronic facial spray. So I'm just going to pick up my product on here and really try and get shadow going. Oh, to really carve out those cheekbones. Yeah, loving this. Loving this. Sculpted. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn this around and then pick up my bronzing shade. So my tan's actually like died down a little bit now. I think I would normally pick this middle shade, but I might be better off with this one. But I'm going to go with this anyway because I love to be bronzed. And then I'm just going to place that just slightly higher than where we placed the contour. And don't be scared because we're going to blend this all out. Remember, you have to trust the process. And then just a little down the side of the nose. So just a quick tip with these face palettes, they're multi-use. So I'm actually going to put the same shade of bronzer on my eyelids, just so my eyes don't look too bare. And then it kind of acts as a cream shadow. And you can be as messy or as neat as you want with this. It's just giving a bit of colour to my lids now. Okay, that's 2 palettes down. Still no foundation. Our 3rd and final palette. This is the Blush and Glow palette. Aren't these colours stunning? I actually think I'm going to mix and match a couple of these for my blush. I'm going to start with the lighter pink shade, and I'm going to use a brush for this. And I'm just going to start at the top of the cheekbones and almost blending into where we put that peach colour under the eye. This shade's gorgeous. I'll build that up a little bit. How stunning is that colour? Oh my god, it just kind of brings everything together. And then again, normally with my tan, I'd probably go in with this, and I've just looked at the back and that's Rouge Noir, so that is what I would normally go with. I might go in with this slightly lighter one, which is Blush Baby. Giving us more pigment, but it's blended in with the other lighter shade, so it's not showing too harsh. And then I'm also just going to go over the nose slightly as well. My cheeks are looking stunning. I'm going to add a glow on top, and I think we'll go with this golden one. I'm going to use a mini sponge, and I'm just going to go on top of the cheekbones and at the end of the nose. Okay, I've just gone over my face with a little bit of powder. Used the Obsession lip liner, and I'm going to go back in with the blush palette and put a shade of blush on my lips because they're multi-use, so why not? I think I'm going to put this one on. A little bit on my finger. I'm sorry, this lip combo is insane. These palettes are just $6.99 each. If you're after something affordable that still performs, these are definitely worth a place in your kit. Cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and affordable. What more could you want? Let me know in the comments if you're picking one or all 3 up.